everyone, thank you for watching. Tonight I'm doing a little catch up. I'm filming the unboxing of the Spread Your Wings mystery bag. I did my eyeshadow and lip to match this little butterfly bag. Super cute. It's got this like holographic little detail and a little butterfly. I feel like this would be a great stationery bag for Violet. She's 4.5. With the butterfly, she'll love it. Anyways, let's see what's inside. So first off is the Prados Done With the Slay makeup remover. I'll probably try this one tonight. Hey baddie, ready to enslay the day? I actually am. I've been filming for like hours all day and I'm starving, so I'm gonna order some sushi and undo the day. It has no smell. It does have this like really convenient little extra cap that you can like reseal it back up with. So I really like that. This would be a good one to travel with because of that. And it's a little bit bigger than like the teeny tiny travel sizes. Okay, next is the Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. And this is an heirloom. This is a mauve type color. Wow, this would actually look really good with the outfit I have on today. Gosh, why do they put these plastic things over everything? Driving me nuts, you guys. So I will say, as far as liquid blush goes, I do not like this type of packaging where you twist it and then have to squeeze it out. Often this part leaks. I don't know about this brand, but the ones I've had in the past, that has been a reoccurring issue with this type of tube. If ever I get the opportunity to create my own makeup, a liquid blush will definitely be in a little twisty. I have a full face of makeup on already, but we're playing around here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. Add a little bit. The lights are so bright I can't even see. Oh my god, is it like empty? There's like nothing in here. You see how much I'm squeezing it? Look at that. And nothing, like barely anything is coming out. Okay. Anyways, oh my gosh, it's like not even closing. Okay, already this is like a total flop for the brand. Sorry you guys, like fix that problem. Normally I would go in with a stiffer brush, but because I already have makeup on, I'm using this like super fluffy to not disturb the makeup underneath. As you can see, it totally did lift what I had going on. Whatever, that was my bad. I'll try that product again when I don't have a full face of makeup, but it is moist blotchy now. Cool, ruined my makeup. Anyways, moving on. This is the Ace Beauty Layer Grip Primer. I love trying new primers. I've been obsessed with the Alfalfa Glaze one. So I do enjoy a grippy type primer. It feels more like a silicone base. It's like very smooth. It doesn't really feel grippy at all. Like at all. It's like very smooth. So I'm not sure why they call it grippy. But okay. Anyways. Then we have the Polite Society Pout Lip Gloss. And what shade is this? Just like a pink lip gloss. Cute. I'm not gonna try this on right now. I think I've learned my lesson in this video with opening products right now. Then we have the Beauty Creations Taurus Beauty. What is this? Are these eye crayons? What? What? How does it even, do you shake it? Does it just continually come out? Whoa. That's crazy. Oh, it must be in the cap because like it's tight when you put it in. That one is called Wine Nut. This one is Ocean. Ooh, oh my gosh. How pretty. You would think that I have this one on already, but I don't. The eyeshadow I have on is like totally different, but this one is like a perfect match. How perfect is that? Okay, then these got me excited. These redeemed the bag a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. This is called My Essential. And it's like this bronzy type color. Oh yeah, very nice. That one is not shimmer at all. It's like a satin finish. These are really cool. I'm excited about these. These are like very, very cool. Next is, I guess the last thing in here is this Galactic Essential palette. It's this like pretty little rose, super reflective packaging. And okay, this one is actually really pretty. It has a lot of grays, slate, twinkle. Ooh, this is like a palette, like a color palette that I don't have right now. So I'm excited to try some looks with this. I do love like a silver gray eye because I have like greenish eyes. Cool, love that. That is what was in the Spread Your Wings mystery bag. Please leave me a comment, like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me. Comment, let me know what you want to see next. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear where you're from. I want to hear more from you guys. And thank you so much for watching.